Pónteme de espalda.
Bloated belly or weight gain around midsection makes us all conscious while taking photos. Our bodies are not the same every day. Whatever the reason be, it should not stop you from taking some amazing photos. Today I'm going to show you a very easy pose that gracefully hides your midsection or muffin top in picture. Guys, this is a very simple, well explained video with some aha moments that will make it fun for you to want to try this instantly. So let's begin with today's pose to hide belly in pictures. But before that, please subscribe to my channel so you can watch my other posing videos too. So sitting straight in pictures, like dead on, facing frontal, facing the camera, not just makes you appear very squarish, but it also highlights the rolls on your waist. Now, for those of you who think that this could work as a distraction, you can simply move the attention away from these distractions by bringing them to your more attractive features. And you can do this simply by pushing your hips slightly back and bringing your shoulders forward. Now extend your one leg forward but diagonally, not straight directly towards the camera. Remember the rule in pictures while posing. Whatever is the closest to the camera will appear the biggest. So when you move the widest part of your body away from the lens, it appears smaller. By moving your hips back and your shoulders forward, you make your waist appear smaller than your upper body. By extending your leg forward, you make your leg look longer. In this pose, you're creating more angles. You're elongating your body. Your hands are hiding your midsection and highlighting the curve of your hip. Whatever your body shape be, whatever your height be, this is an extremely flattering pose that looks good on everyone. And why just pictures? Use these poses to enhance your body language in general. Whenever you're walking, making an appearance in public, make sure you carry yourself elegantly and pose to take more space so you look more powerful. And always learn to highlight the best features about you, the features that make you feel confident about yourself. Instead of giving you multiple tips at a time, I wanted to create these short videos that are loaded with information. I want you guys to treat these videos not just as tutorials but as challenges that you are willing to accept. Try out these poses in front of a mirror and then in selfies to change your body confidence game forever. Check out my playlist to see my other videos on appearing more photogenic and posing tips as well as photography tips. I have more than one video on how to pose to hide your belly. I will attach some of my old posing videos as well as some new updated videos in the description below. So on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, I do make some shorter versions of these videos or some fun little posts and stories that are quick reminders for you whenever you want to actually pose instead of watching a whole YouTube video. I highly recommend that you create your collection on Instagram where you can save my videos on posing tips, on photography, and all my other posts as well. Like and share and comment on this video if you enjoyed watching this video. Then you are good to go, so you can go and try the tip that you watched in today's video. I will see you next week or sooner so you can blush with me.
Pónteme de espalda.
Is that what I was showing on TikTok?
What you did.